Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix stutters and boost your FPS from Subnautica on PC. Just before we do begin with this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. So I made here an image with optimized settings and config files. Basically, this is what you should follow, so you don't have to keep repeating the video itself. So here you go. So basically, this is the config files tweaks recommended for you. This is what I personally use to get the best settings for me and boost my FPS for Subnautica. So go ahead and follow this along. So basically what you have to do is go ahead and click on your keyboard Windows plus R and then type in percentage local update of percentage, press OK, and then find the Subnautica folder. As you can see right over here, Subnautica folder, go to saved, config, and then Windows no editor. Once you go ahead and click on Windows no editor, click on engine.ini and open it with Notepad. Go ahead and add or edit this following, as you can see. So basically 1.0, just go ahead and follow all these steps right over here. Once you did that, go ahead and click on your keyboard Control S, or go ahead and save the file and set it to read only. Right click, properties, check read only. So basically the explanation is this will disable heavy effects that cause stutters and lowers VRAM usage, improves frame time consistency. You can raise values if you have a high-end PC. So in-game settings right over here, this is what I personally use for my in-game settings. So full screen and all of that. Just go ahead and follow these along. As you can see, make sure to take a screenshot or pause the video. Next is basically on Steam right over here. Right click on Subnautica 2, properties, general launch options, and add all these codes right here on the launch options. To do that, just go ahead and go to your Steam right over here, click on library, right click on your game, properties, and this should be the launch option, and then go ahead and follow the codes what I did on the image right over here. So dash use all available cores, then space, make sure to put space in between everything of this. Next is make sure that you optimize your NVIDIA control panel. If you've done competitive games, you should already done this for the competitive game that you did in the past. Make sure to copy these performance. It does make sure the power management mode is prefer maximum performance. This basically gives your battery or your PC's hang time for the performance more than its quality. Okay. Next, Windows optimizations. Make sure that you put in on game mode. To do that, just go ahead and click on your keyboard right here, type in game mode. As you can see, if it's turned off, go ahead and click on game mode right over here. On the game mode page, on the same page right over here, click on graphics settings and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is also turned on. Once you turn that on, you will need to restart your PC to have your changes take effect, and it will ask you to restart your PC once again. Once you do that, just go ahead and follow these steps right over here. Basically, most of this are just tips or extra tips that you need to go ahead and follow and tweak that to your liking. Basically, your own opinion. And as you can see, basically that is all for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Go ahead and try all these settings right here over here that I made. And that's all for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.